This is part 4.5. We are finishing making Alphie's Sunday morning breakfast. We have mixed in our canned unsalted green peas, and now we are going to give him a whole wheat tortilla. This is a great way to use leftovers from your own kitchen in with your pet's food. I don't support any of the brands that I use here. I just use the things that I know that we have around the house and that Alphie loves. As you can see, I'm just casually ripping up a tortilla and putting it on top of Alphie's bowl as a little topper. And we have Alphie's breakfast. One more thing before we feed Alphie. The reason that this is so good is it includes the nutrition that dogs need from kibble and the kibble that your dog already loves. And it also includes wholesome human-grade ingredients that are inexpensive. For example, the beech nut baby food has 7 grams of protein in them. The pumpkin puree is pure pumpkin with nothing added in it, and has 8 grams of iron, 4 grams of calcium, or 8% of iron, 4% of calcium, and 6% of potassium, with 3 grams of protein. Now, are you ready to feed Alphie? Bon appetit. You're welcome.